Hello friends. Welcome to Defense Matrix. On this channel you will get fully information about defense and technology. Let's view the video. The insane ring of bunker buster bomb. What makes bunker buster bombs so devastating? When it comes to modern warfare, few weapons inspire more fear than the bunker buster bomb. But what makes this bomb such a devastating force? It's not just the explosion, it's where and how that explosion happens. Unlike traditional bombs that explode on impact, a bunker buster is engineered to penetrate meters of reinforced concrete and rock before detonating. Imagine a missile that doesn't just hit its target, it burrows deep into the earth like a mechanical predator before releasing its destructive payload. These bombs are designed to obliterate underground bunkers, enemy hideouts, command centers, and fortified missile silos that would otherwise be completely shielded from conventional airstrikes. With speeds reaching Mach 1+, gravity and engineering work together to transform a bomb into a high-speed drilling tool. Their impact is psychological too. When enemies realize that nowhere is safe, even beneath tons of concrete, it changes the entire battlefield dynamic. From high-value targets hidden in mountain caves to nuclear facilities buried under cities, the bunker buster ensures no place is unreachable. And here's the wild part, it doesn't even need a massive explosive. It's the perfect combination of kinetic energy and precision detonation that makes it lethal. It's like dropping a steel-tipped spear from the sky at supersonic speed, with a timed explosion at the heart of the enemy's last refuge. Inside the genius engineering, materials, design and physics. You might think a bomb is just a metal shell filled with explosives, but when it comes to a bunker buster, it's a masterpiece of defense engineering. The real secret lies in the materials and the physics. These bombs are built using ultra-hardened steel alloys, titanium composites, and even depleted uranium in some variants, to survive the initial impact and maintain structural integrity during penetration. Picture this, a regular bomb would crumple upon hitting thick concrete. But bunker busters? They're designed like high-speed drills, using sharp aerodynamic noses and reinforced casings that channel massive kinetic energy upon impact. What makes it truly genius is the delay fuse technology. Unlike standard bombs, the explosion doesn't trigger on contact. The fuse is timed to detonate only after the bomb burrows through layers of defense, ensuring that the blast occurs deep within the target, right where it will do the most damage. And the design isn't guesswork. Engineers run thousands of simulations, using computational fluid dynamics, shockwave mapping, and impact trajectory models. Every millimeter of the casing is calculated for optimal speed, pressure resistance, and energy transfer. Some advanced versions, like the GBU-57 Massive Ordnance Penetrator, are 30,000 pounds of raw kinetic and explosive power. That's like dropping a school bus made of steel at supersonic speed through enemy defenses. This isn't just a bomb, it's a scientific marvel, where every bolt and weld is built for one purpose: to break what should be unbreakable. Delivery systems, how they're dropped with pinpoint precision. You've got a weapon designed to punch through bunkers, but how do you make sure it hits exactly the right spot? That's where the delivery systems come in, and this is where technology takes over the skies. Bunker buster bombs are deployed from advanced fighter jets and strategic bombers like the F-15E Strike Eagle, B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, and even unmanned drones in experimental missions. These aircraft use precision guidance systems to ensure the bomb not only reaches its target, but does so at the correct angle, speed, and trajectory. We're talking about a ballet of GPS satellites, laser-guided systems, and inertial navigation units working in harmony to hit targets often hidden beneath 20 to 50 meters of reinforced structures. Pilots or AI navigation systems calculate wind speed, altitude, target depth, and even earth density in real time to ensure maximum accuracy. And here's where it gets even more insane. Some bunker busters use smart tail kits, mechanisms that give the bomb slight course corrections during free fall. That means mid-air adjustments, thousands of feet above ground, guiding the bomb to its final mark like a sniper's bullet. In real-world missions, these systems have hit bunkers located deep inside mountains, hidden in cave networks, or beneath city buildings, without collateral damage. This level of precision is what makes the difference between a successful strike and a global political disaster. This isn't just a bomb drop, it's surgical warfare, with an iron fist cloaked in scientific accuracy. Real combat usage, shocking bunker buster missions in history. Bunker busters aren't just lab experiments, they've been used in real combat, and the results have changed military history. Let's rewind to Operation Desert Storm in 1991. The U.S. Air Force deployed early versions of bunker busters to destroy Iraqi command centers buried deep under the desert. Standard bombs were ineffective, but the modified GBU-58, a last-minute engineering marvel, penetrated over 20 feet of reinforced concrete. The world watched in shock as invincible underground bunkers were obliterated in seconds. Then came Operation Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan. The Taliban and Al-Qaeda had fortified caves and underground tunnel systems in the mountains of Tora Bora. Normal weapons couldn't reach them. Enter the next-gen bunker busters, dropping from B-52s and stealth bombers. They pierced rock layers and destroyed hideouts with bone-shaking blasts. In 2011, NATO forces used precision-guided bunker busters during airstrikes in Libya to target underground command facilities of the Gaddafi regime. Once again, the combination of deep penetration and surgical accuracy made them a weapon of choice. But perhaps the most dramatic display of power came with the development of the GBU-57 Massive Ordnance Penetrator. Built to potentially target nuclear bunkers in North Korea or Iran, this monster is capable of tearing through 200 feet of earth or 60 feet of concrete. It's not just a weapon, it's a warning. Each strike sends a message: you can run. You can dig. But you can't hide. Future of bunker busters, hypersonic, AI, and deep penetration tech. The future of bunker busters is about to get even more terrifying and smarter. Imagine bombs guided not just by pilots or GPS, but by artificial intelligence that can make real-time decisions mid-flight. Next-gen bunker busters will integrate AI-powered targeting, capable of identifying the exact composition of terrain, adjusting their trajectory based on underground imaging, and selecting the most vulnerable structural points to detonate. We're also entering the era of hypersonic bunker busters, weapons that travel at over Mach 5, 5 times the speed of sound. At these speeds, the kinetic impact alone could destroy heavily fortified bunkers even without explosives. On top of that, military R&D labs are developing bombs with adaptive casing materials, able to change shape under pressure, penetrate deeper, and withstand greater heat during descent. Some may even be equipped with micro-drones that deploy on impact to scan, transmit data, or self-destruct inside underground networks. In short, the next generation of bunker busters won't just blow things up. They'll think, adapt, and outsmart anything you put in their path. This is more than warfare, it's a fusion of machine intelligence, physics, and precision that could redefine how wars are won in the 21st century. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel Defense Matrix for more interesting and knowledgeful videos.